Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of another phone that we ordered from Lazada. As you can see, it's 2,399 pesos. I'm covering this because it has my shipping address. Okay, so we're opening it now. It's called the Takee. Okay, you'll see later why. I bought this sa flash sale sa Lazada couple of days ago. It took about a week for it to get here. So, I still have my handy dandy trusty knife. Okay, so it's a Takee A9. Wait, let me see. So according to here, it's out for delivery right now. Okay. Ngayon, it's 2,619 na. When I bought it, it's 2,399. It's 2GB RAM, 32GB ROM. And there's supposed to be two colors, the blue and the black, as you can see. And, wala nyo ang kulay ulit kinuha ko. Siyempre, blue. Okay, blue is my favorite color on phones. Well, actually gray. But sa phones, it's not that often that they have gray or silver. I don't like silver on phones. So here's the Takee. Okay. So I don't know why it's called Takee. So it's not it's 5 megapixels front, 8 megapixels back. May face unlock daw. It's a 6.26 droplet screen and 32GB ROM and 2GB RAM. Okay. So we're gonna open it up now. Dual SIM siya according to here. Okay. So let's hope this works and let's hope this is an okay phone or I just wasted my money. So yeah, may screen, nakakonect na yung screen protector niya, no? Nakalagay na. Magkaan siya, feeling ko may removable battery ko. So there's the phone itself. May kasama na po siyang mga kaibigang case, nice, which is good kasi sometimes the smaller brands, ang hirap humanap, it's very hard to find cases, ano? So meron pa siyang screen protector na kasama. It looks like it's tempered glass. I guess okay. Pero meron na pong nakalagay. Ngayon, ang nakalagay lang pala is the standard protection, So, wala siya. Meron na siya. There's one there. There's a screen protector na. Pero it's not tempered glass. Okay. Comes with a headset. And looks like it's a removable battery type, So, lipat natin yung ilaw. Sorry, isa lang yung ilaw ko ngayon. I don't know where I put my other light. So, it's a removable type. Okay? So, tandahan kasi baka mabali. Looks like it uses micro SIMs. 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SIM. And here's the SD card. Battery it says is 3,200 milliamperes. Okay. Wala na akong SIM card na pwedeng ilagay. So, it says it's lithium ion. Dual camera daw yung back. Pero it doesn't say on the box ano yung specs nung phone. It's the power and the volume buttons on the right side. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakakita ng phone na nasa taas, yung charging port. Right beside the the 3.5 headset jack. So by the sound of it, it looks like it's a standard Android. The rear camera is supposed to be 8 megapixels. Yun lang yung nakalagay. Walang sinasabi ko This front is 5. Okay. I did not know that it was a dual camera when I bought it. So malaki siya, no? If you compare it, it's almost as big as the Xiaomi Poco phone. It's actually bigger pa nga than the Poco phone. Pero looking at the screen, mas malaki pa ang screen niya sa Poco phone. Unfortunately, this is only 2GB compared to my Poco phone. So, I think it's Android 6.0. Buti na lang, kasi when I checked the app, in Lazada, it was saying it's a lollipop lang 5.1. So buti naman it's a 6.0 na. It's upgraded na what they sent. Let's open the storage and USB. So use 1.14 lang ang nagamit out of the 32GB, which is good since it's a 6.0. Let's look at the camera. Medyo malabo siya, pero where's the settings? Okay. So 8 megapixels ang picture size niya. So I don't get it why it has 2 cameras. Mukhang fake yung isa. Parang, okay? So we'll let you know. Pero if you're looking for a big ass screen phone, this is big. It's big. Pero hindi maganda yung quality ng screen niya, no? The way it looks, medyo parang blurred or something like, ano bang terms dyan? It's a 6.2 inches capacitive touch na phone. Wala din sinabi kung ano yung screen niya, no? So we're gonna have to do a Antutu test here, but this looks good. Kung if you just want a big phone for Mobile Legends, 2GB so kaya niya ito dapat. And it's cheap. It's only what? 2,399. So thanks guys for watching the quick unboxing of the Takee A9. There. Bye!